Alright guys, just to show you how a proper traditional Romanian meal looks like, stay tuned. Okay, so this is actually a Romanian starter. We have some pork here, onions and Palinka. This glass Romanian is called soy. So cheers. Guys, this is strong, honestly. So meanwhile, we've got the soup here. It's a soup with beans and pork meat. This is looking delicious, honestly. So we usually like to add a lot of pepper. And then to mix it. By the way, this is proper food for winter. And of course, this is eaten with an onion salad, like this. It's already seasoned. Right guys, so Mihai just told me that this is actually a traditional way of drinking Pálinka. So it's dated for, I think, more than 100 years ago. It is awesome. Cheers. Let's go. Cheers. Cheers again. Awesome. I mean, have a look how consistent is this one. This is also really good to be eaten with some bread. Telling you guys, this is really tasty. You should try this. I mean, this is how the bread should look like. Enjoy. Of course, this soup can be eaten also with some chilies. Yeah. Have a look at those. They do look so tasty. Right, so in English, this soup is called bean soup with pork knuckle. By the way, guys, this is a plum-based drink. Right, guys, so this place is called Ciorba. The old name of this place was the Pit. So this is being part of brand distilleries, meaning that this was made on Vlad the Impaler site. It's another town nearby Brasov. It's called Ciorba, and that's the place of Vlad the Impaler. Isn't this interesting? From a scale of 1 to 10, I give these guys easily 10. 10. Right? Okay, cut. Just forgot to mention something. The menus are made with genuine leather. Have a look. So these are the prices from here. One Pálinka is around £3.